Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on Apple ID, iPhone, iPad and Mac. So you can see here is sign out not showing and sign out is not available due to restrictions. So how can fix this issue? Simply step by steps follow them. Now if you are seeing this message sign out is not available to restrictions, we typing sign out of your Apple ID on iPhone, iPad and Mac. So typically means the screen time restriction and on device management PDM settings are so from sign outs. Here's how to fix this and cause. So first method, go to settings on your phone and then tap on screen time. Tap it. Now then scroll down and turn off screen time. Turn off and enter your iPhone password. Now and then enter your screen time password when prompt, and once screen time is off, go back settings and then tap content sections. Now scroll down and tap allow and then turn off content and restriction and back home screen. Again open settings on your iPhone and then tap on Apple ID. Now we can see is showing sign out. Now tap here and enter your Apple ID password and sign out your Apple ID on your phone. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment, and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.